Bone broth is nourishing and adds great flavor to your recipes. It's easy to make at home and saves lots of money. I like to make mine in the Instant Pot. Place in your Instant Pot the bones from one chicken carcass or turkey carcass. Add 10 cups of water. This is 2.36 liters. Make sure your pot is not filled more than about 2/3. I like to use purified water. Add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Now place the lid on your pot and make sure the vent is set to sealing. Use the manual setting on high pressure and set it for 120 minutes. After the time is finished, you can run another optional cycle, this time on low pressure for 120 minutes. This really helps the bone broth to get very gelatinous. After the time is up, let the pressure release naturally, then remove the lid and strain the bone broth. I kept this simple with just 3 ingredients, but feel free to add vegetables for flavor if you want to add some onion, carrot, celery, parsley, even sea vegetables can add nice flavor and a little extra nutrition to your bone broth. This makes a big batch of bone broth, which comes in handy for all of your favorite recipes and making soups, or even just sipping on it. Now this is super hot, and I let it cool down a good bit before transferring it into glass mason jars. It will thicken up a lot as it cools. To prevent glass jars from shattering, just add a cup or 2 and let that cool in the jar before adding more. I like to use this stainless steel funnel. It makes it so easy to pour liquids into mason jars. Then eventually fill it up and you'll have about 10 cups of broth. Imagine what you would pay for this at the grocery store. This saves so much money and it's very nourishing. You can salt it if you like or leave it unsalted. I hope you enjoyed learning how easy it is to make your own homemade Instant Pot bone broth. Let me know in the comments one of your favorite recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in one of the next videos.